News Center Maine's Don Carrigan joins us now with more on today's developments, coming to us from his home this evening. Don?
Hi, Pat and Cindy. I've joined the social distancing effort here and covering the Maine CDC. More cases and more are coming. That was the word from Maine CDC Director Dr. Nirav Shah today. And also some sobering reality for those who might still think this virus is not that big a deal. The continuing daily drumbeat of more coronavirus cases is really about people. And today, CDC Director Dr. Nirav Shah was joined by Maine Health and Human Services Commissioner Jean Lambrou, announcing one of the new cases is a DHHS employee at their Lewiston office.
Our top priority is always to ensure the health and safety of the public as well as our employees within any unit of state government. So for that reason, Commissioner Lambrou made the decision out of an abundance of caution to close the Maine DHHS office while the investigation is proceeding.
Not many details are available and may not be. The Lewiston field office is one of 15 around the state, which Lambrou says have already taken steps to have most of the public contact done by phone or online.
We have cut our traffic down of people coming into those 16 offices significantly, so it really is very few people statewide, and we are contemplating taking additional measures.
Dr. Shah acknowledged the growing number of cases, saying for people doing infectious disease work, it is not a surprise. And while the flu is still infecting people as well, still putting them in the hospital in greater numbers, the CDC director emphasized that COVID-19 is really a far more serious threat.
I think anyone can take a look at just the experience in Maine, let alone the experience in New York City and other places, to see just how rapidly COVID-19 can spread.
He says studies show coronavirus spreads twice as fast as the flu.
The other axis that we look at is how many people may die.
And that it potentially is more deadly.
According to the best available statistics, COVID-19 may be anywhere from 5 to up to 20 times more fatal than the flu. Now, epidemiologists around the world are trying to figure out whether it's the lower number or the higher number. But no matter what that number is, it's significantly more concerning.
And he says this new virus is hitting hospitals at a time when they are already dealing with cases of the flu, putting a further strain on the whole healthcare system, all of them working day and night to keep up. And as far as that case at the Lewiston DHHS office, the DHHS gave some additional information late this afternoon saying that because staffing had already been reduced by more people working at home, a maximum of about 25 staffers are there. There were 4 members of the public in at that office yesterday. CDC is now interacting with all of those people to determine who, if any of them, had close contact with that staff member, although they say that person was not somebody who visited people's homes and did not have a great deal of contact with the public. I'm Don Carrigan for News Center Maine.